Like bar styles, text styles apply formatting to text in different categories, like row and column headings, text positioned around the edges of task bars, or the text for critical tasks in a table. You can use text styles to change the font, font size, font style, color, and background color. For example, to increase the font size to make tables more readable, or the font color to emphasize critical tasks. You can also change the format for a single text string to make sure you don't forget to check on a task with troublesome issues. To format categories of text, click the Format tab. Then click Text Styles. In the table, select the category of text you want to format. If you want to format all the text in the view, for instance, so you can hide your reading glasses in a desk drawer, select All in the Item to Change drop-down list, like it is here. When you choose All, the formatting you choose applies to all the text in the active view. Changed Cells represents the Change Highlighting feature. If you want to make items that have changed stand out, you can change the text and background color for the Changed Cells category. In the Text Styles dialog box, pick the font you want, like Arial or Times New Roman. Font style includes regular, italic, bold, and combinations of those. In this case, choose italic. And the font size determines the size of the letters you see. You can type a number in the size box to pick a size that doesn't appear in the drop-down list. In this example, choose 12. In the color drop-down list, choose the color you want, red to stick with the critical theme. Keep in mind, dark colors are easier to read than light shades. Look at the screen or print samples to make sure that the colors work. Click OK to apply this text style. Like the shading that Project applies to change cells, you can change the background color for categories like critical tasks or inactive tasks. To highlight cells that use a text style, in the background color drop-down list you can choose the color you want. Let's choose critical tasks. And then in the background color, we can choose a dark red. Background pattern comes in handy if you use black and white printers. The sample box shows what the color and pattern formatting choices look like. Click OK to apply the formatting. You can also format text for an individual row or even a cell in a table. Project 2010 makes this type of formatting even easier with a mini toolbar. Right-click a row, a cell, or several cells. In this case, select this one task. Then right-click a cell and a mini toolbar appears. You can click a tool to change the font, font size, font color, and style. Here I'm clicking a dark blue for this particular cell. Formatting text styles or individual text makes information stand out. If you format text categories, Project takes care of changing the formatting if a task, resource, or assignment switches categories. Formatting individual text emphasizes important information that doesn't fall into a category, like a particular task that the customer really cares about.